Hello everyone from Elif's Kitchen. Today, I want to share with you an easy-to-make recipe for your special dinner tables. I will be making oven-baked chicken with bechamel sauce and mushrooms. As you can see in the video, I used 9 pieces of schnitzel chicken breast after washing and draining the chicken well. Let's add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon each of paprika, thyme, and black pepper. Add half a tea glass of vegetable oil and mix well. Then, cover it with plastic wrap. If you have time, let it marinate in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. If you're short on time, you can cook it immediately. I let it rest for about 2 hours. Heat a large non-stick pan. Place the chicken pieces in the pan without adding any extra oil. Since we used plenty of oil while marinating the chicken, this oil will be enough. If you prefer, you can add some of the marinade oil onto the chicken while cooking. Flip the chicken occasionally and cook it over medium heat until it's fully cooked and tender. Once the chicken is golden brown, transfer it to a plate and cook the remaining pieces in the same way. After cooking all the chicken, I used a large rectangular glass baking dish and arranged the chicken inside. In the same pan where we cooked the chicken, add 1 finely chopped onion and sauté it for a while. Then, add 2 finely chopped red bell peppers. Sauté for a few more minutes. I used about 700 grams of mushrooms. As shown in the video, chop the mushrooms. Add them to the sautéed vegetables and continue cooking over medium heat for a few more minutes. Then, cover the pan with a lid and let it cook on low heat. Stir occasionally at this stage. As you can see, the mushrooms have started releasing their water. Let them cook, stirring occasionally, until they absorb all their liquid. While the mushrooms are cooking, let's prepare the bechamel sauce in a separate pan. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil to a pan. Then, add 2 tablespoons of butter and let it melt. Add 1 tea glass, about 3 tablespoons, of flour. Sauté until the flour loses its raw smell. Gradually add the milk to prevent lumps. I first added 1 cup of milk and then, in total, 3.5 cups of milk. Then, add 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well and let it simmer for 1 to 2 minutes on low heat before removing it from the stove. Our mushrooms, which have been cooking on low heat for about 30 minutes, have now absorbed their water. Pour the prepared bechamel sauce over them. Mix well and let it simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes before turning off the heat. Let it rest for about 15 minutes to cool slightly. If you pour it onto the chicken while it's too hot, it will slide off. That's why it's best to let it cool slightly first. Generously spread the mixture over the chicken pieces. Then, sprinkle grated cheddar cheese on top. Add a little paprika on top. Place it in a preheated 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, oven. Bake until the cheese melts. It will be enough to bake for about 10 minutes, just until the cheese melts. Since all ingredients are already cooked, if you leave it in the oven for too long, the chicken will dry out. Be careful at this stage. Once the cheese has melted, remove it from the oven. Serve it hot. As you can see in the video, it turned out to be a very delicious dish. I hope you try it and like it too. If you enjoyed my video, you can support me by liking, commenting, and sharing. Thank you for watching and for your interest.